Hello students, let us see English poem 2.1 from a railway carriage. The poet of this poem was Robert Louis Stevenson. He was a poet in the 19th century and a Scottish writer. He is well known for his evergreen works like Treasure Island, Kidnapped and Strange. Traveling experiences are a source of a great happiness for children. In our childhood days, we all had a fascination towards traveling in train because of its length, the sound produced by the mechanical movement of the wheels, the loud horn, etc. Here in this poem from a railway carriage, R.L. Stevenson shares his experience of a railway journey. He describes the amazing speed of a train. He presents the natural scenes as seen from the window of a railway carriage. Let us see the first stanza. Faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. The poet says that train runs more quickly than the ferries can fly or the witches can move. When train moves forward, it seems as the soldiers are attacking enemy in a battlefield. The train rushes on leaving bridges, houses, fences and ditches. It also leaves behind the green fields where horses and cattle are grazing. Let us see the second stanza. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye painted stations whistle by. The poet says that all the scenes of a hill and the plain were going crossed by train as quick as one drop of rain follows one another drop in a storm. Again and again in a very short moment, train was crossing stations with a whistle. From the window of compartment of train buildings of stations were seemed as painted pictures. Let us see the third stanza. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. The poet says that from the window of the compartment of a train, he sees a child climbing a steep ground by himself with difficulty. The child was also gathering blackberries during climbing. Poet sees a homeless person who was looking at the train with amazement. He also sees some ladies in a village grasslands. They were making garlands of daisy flowers. Let us see last stanza. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. The poet says that he sees a cart moving slowly in the middle of highway. It was full of load and a cart driver was sitting on the top of the load. He sees a water mill and a river while traveling in the train. All these objects appeared and then disappeared so quickly that poet look at them for very brief time and they can never be seen again. From a railway carriage, the poet presents a series of realistic images that enables the reader to experience the feel of traveling in a train.